Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys my guide on how you can move plants and grow a garden. So as you can see, I have this big princess thorn and I want to, for instance, move it. You are going to go to your cosmetics and you're going to get a bench, a chair, whatever. Then you are going to kind of move it sideways so it goes in the actual plant itself. Like that. Like if you can't move everything, just like move. Hold on, I'm trying to like move it. So it goes in the actual plant. Then you're going to sit and you're going to turn your camera this way. Get your trowel and kind of see where the like base of the plant is. So for me, it's this. Wait, no, it's not that one. Oh, it is this one right here. This is a Princess Thorn's base. Just going to select it, and as you can see now, I can pick it up and move it where I want it to be placed at. I'm just going to leave it though because it is like my access to go up the beanstalk. But that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.